What up, you guys? So I am on my way to Minneapolis, Minnesota right now. I am going to be a part of the Lanza hair show this weekend, and I actually get to be on stage. So, I'm sorry about my voice. I sound like I have a frog in my throat because I have been sick for a week. Finally starting to feel better. Thank Jesus, because I thought I was going to be sick as a dog. So I'm very happy that I am feeling better. About a month and a half ago, one of my instructors from beauty school actually reached out to me asking if I would like to be a part of this show. And of course, right away I died inside fangirling because I follow Lanza on Instagram and I watch all of their amazing stylists and artists do color transformations and do beautiful work on stage. So I am so excited to be a part of that and to learn from the best. So this should be a really fun weekend, and I am on my way to Evolution Salon in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and they are going to do the before prep work on my hair for the show tomorrow. So I am very excited. I'm going to take you guys along on my journey. I cannot wait for you guys to see what happens. So have a wonderful little bit, and I will see you soon. These roads are so awful right now. I just want to be there. We're so close. 1 hour to go. Woo! Woohoo! We made it. Finally. Coolest part about Minneapolis, man. Such a cool building. What's up, guys? So I just got to the hotel and it is amazing. Holy crap, look at this. Salon only sales really did it up because this is beautiful. I'm so excited. Like, this whole room is amazing. I think I get it all to myself. I'm not sure if anybody else is staying with me. I thought that I had somebody staying with me, but I don't know. We'll find out. So I got my hair done by Margot, and she is a Lanza colorist specialist and an educator. She's amazing. I'm in love with my hair. I haven't colored my hair in over a month and a half, so I am so happy to have my hair done. So I have to be at the show tomorrow by 7:30 so that I get my makeup done and we do wardrobe and everything, so I'm really excited for that. And tonight I am meeting our best friends Michael and Michaela for dinner, so I'm really excited. So I'm gonna get ready for that. But I will show you guys a little bit more tonight once I kind of get ready, and I've been driving forever, so I just want to get out of these clothes. So, all right, I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, so I don't ever do anything by myself, so this is really strange. But I am going to find something to eat because I'm starving. And I'm gonna go to Panera because I want something healthy because I have to be at a show tomorrow and I don't want to feel like trash. So here we go. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't get mugged. It's really nice out, actually. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so wish me luck. I made it. Got my food. So far it's been a 10 out of 10. Good morning. So I slept in a little too long, so I just got ready in 15 minutes. I wasn't supposed to do my makeup, so that's good, but let's do this. Oof, that was rough. We're going to a show. Sorry I look so bad. So I got my makeup done. So yeah, I'm almost ready to start hair. So I will be doing that in a few minutes. It's about 8:15 right now, so just kind of gonna relax for a little bit, have some breakfast, and just chill. So, alright, see you soon. Alright guys, I am all ready. My hair looks beautiful. Marco did a beautiful job. 15 minutes and it's time. So I just got done with the Lanza show. I am heading back home now. It was a blast, you guys. I had the best time. I got to watch some of my favorite artists from Lanza work their magic, and they did a beautiful job. I got to meet Margot, Mark, and Matthew. They are all wonderful. I mean, their salon is beautiful in Minneapolis. Evolution Salon, it is gorgeous. And it was just so much fun to get to know everybody this weekend. I want to thank Tammy Zimmerman for inviting me to be a model for the show, because if it wasn't for her, I would not have even been able to be in such an incredible show. And my hair is stunning. I hope I can replicate this at the salon because my clients will love this. And I'm just very grateful. This weekend was wonderful. I got to hang out with Michael and Michaela. I can't thank Salon Only Sales enough for the beautiful hotel. It was a good time. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to head home now because I got a 5-hour drive ahead of me. And trying to get home to see my kittens. So, hope you guys had a great time. And see you next time. Bye. Enough time.